and learning how to make a film in an easy way.
Right now we're practicing in shoots like wide shot, medium shot, extremely close up.
We have learned how different shot angles, focus, wide angle, full length. We're learning about different things. Editing is fun actually. We get to learn many things. It helps me completing a story. We can change the order of the sequence. We can add new things and make it more interesting and fun.
I think filmmaking is awesomely fun.